Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Leon in the Lab. Awesome episode planned for you guys today. Had a massive jersey haul. Just came back from a trip visiting Pierre out in Connecticut to New York. With that comes some cross-border smuggling. Basically, I had all my stuff sent from Illinois. Shout out to TJ. He shipped it to Pierre. I brought it over the border, and this is what I brought back. So bear with me. There's going to be a lot of stuff. This is kind of purchased over course. Probably we're talking like September till like last month or so. So you're going to see a lot of stuff. But brace yourself. Massive jersey haul. So first things first, we got an old school Toronto Blue Jay white jersey. Got all the good stuff. So cool base, no flex base cool base. So like here, these are the real shit. These are good stuff. This is a blank. Probably gonna make it an Edwin Encarnacion jersey. That or maybe Roy Halladay, maybe Joey Bats, but that's jersey one. Starting off real strong. This, I've wanted one of these. Can't even tell you for how long. I've been trying to find a Paul Korea version. Was not able to. So, for those jersey collectors, made in Canada, CCM, XXL. Beautiful, beautiful jersey. Jeff Friesen. Kind of a random player. Would prefer Paul Korea, Timo Solani, Sergei Fedorov, but for the quality and the price, Jeff Friesen it is. And then another jersey I've wanted for a while. I forgot about this. Another made in Canada, XXL, Mike Recchi. Beautiful jersey, shoulder patch. Good tackle twill, number 9. Assistant captain with the patch on. Beautiful, beautiful jersey. Now, this is the rest of them. The day before I left, or the day of leaving, we kind of took most of them out of the packaging. Put the tags off in case I would have got hurt at the border. Luckily, I didn't, and we got through. Got a Redskins jersey. I don't own a Redskins jersey. Now I do. RG3. Gotta love when NBA players get traded because then their jerseys go on sale. I do prefer to buy the jerseys from the team store. Usually because you'll get the advertisement. But Timothy Butler, Miami Vice. Another Jimmy Butler. Classic Heat. The old school Nike. Timothy. That's some Nuevo York. New York quickly. Aqib Talib jersey. Bronco orange. It's a t-shirt that TJ gave me. Show it to TJ. Oh, Jackie Robinson t-shirt. Thank you, TJ. Oh, this is nice. Embroidery. Thank you, TJ. Got one of the best defensive tackles of all time. Retired a little early, but kind of got bored of playing, I think. But Aaron Donald. This World Baseball Classic. Probably gonna turn into like a Jason Bay. The blank right now. Oh, it's a little Coke shirt. Keith Haring. Coke. Yeah, the Keith Haring. Coke. More Knicks. These are like $30. RJ Barrett. Big Maple. Yeah. So Luca Authentic. Able to pick up. Someone got it when he was traded. And I guess whoever he bought it for kind of bailed, so he ended up selling it to me for the cost, which is really good. I do have this regular Swingman version, but to get a Luca Authentic, why not, right? Some more Coke. Unico. By the time you guys watch this, we won't know. The draft lottery is going to happen in about 23 minutes. So, kind of disappointed in this. Jersey, it's just like print on. Thought I'd at least get like a tackle 12, but Duke. TJ is a big UNC fan, so thank you, TJ, for not destroying this jersey. This one's special. Shout out to the homie Clay, who got this for me. Where's the other thing? We designed some hats, and he has a famous cousin, number one draft pick by the Indianapolis Colts, Andrew Luck. So they ended up signing this card for me and signing this jersey. I will cherish this forever. Thank you, Clay. And Andrew, Mr. Luck. This one, shout out to Daniel, ATL Sneaker Korean, on Instagram. He went to the Braves warehouse sale for me, or the Braves team store. So they're doing the changing of the jerseys because last year they had a really shit quality. I think they're selling them for like $30 blank. So I sent them on my behalf, and he went for me, and we figured out that the ones with names were the same price as the blanks. So I ended up getting an Austin Riley. Not bad. The Authentics have the number here. So I don't know if I'm going to go add the number, but still a clean jersey. We also have an Acuna. They're so cheap, I ended up buying two. I do have the... Yeah, see how shit this is? This is print on. But they do have the sponsor patch on it. Some more Coke. Damn, I bought a lot of Coke shirts. Keith here. This one's kind of cool. This one's embroidered. Got dugout jacket. I love these dugout jackets. Twins. $70 on eBay. Cannot go wrong. I wear my bougie one everywhere. Rockies version. Von Miller. Beautiful retro. Reebok. Feels real. Hope it's real. Pascal Siakam. City jersey. Luka Swingman from the Cap Shop. You like the quality on these suck compared to the authentics. Jalen Hurts. Another Miami. Timothy Butler. Phillies dugout jacket. A blank Philly jersey. I'm going to turn this to Roy Halladay jersey. So the spring training. Oh, Freddie Freeman. Braves. I got this on eBay for like $23. And that's it. That's my jersey haul. A lot of fucking jerseys. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching. Let me know what was your favorite pickup that I had from the bunch. Till next time. I'm out of here. Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.